Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 21. We just started one and already 21 days. That's about approximately 3 weeks gone. All right. I am Francisca Mailiana Zonki, your lead tutor for this challenge. All we are doing here is to give you the right basic information and understanding on data analytics, right? So we've started looking at SQL, and I hope that at this point you understand what SQL is and why it's important for you to know SQL, because it's one of the leading skills that are being requested for in the data world. All right, so today we are just going to look at downloading SQL. So if you've been following me, you have heard me say that I have transitioned on to using a Mac, right? So I used to use a Windows laptop and Lenovo Windows laptop to actually access do my data analytics and all that and my teachings, but I have graduated to a MacBook, so I don't have SQL on my MacBook. So you're going to download it from scratch. All right, so let's get to download it. And on the platform that you're going to download it, you also see the Windows option, so you just follow through just like that. Okay, all right, so let's get to the laptop. Right, so I have opened a new browser, right? So my Google Chrome is what I use here. So I'm going to search for my SQL, right? So I have it here. So I can just go to downloads. Yeah, so the interface is similar to Windows as well. So when you get here, you go to downloads as well. So it's already gone to downloads. Then you um, go down here to download my SQL community downloads. Okay. Then you come here, install my SQL for Windows is here. So you have that as well. I am going to look for Mac. You are using a Windows laptop and get here, you just click on install my SQL, my SQL installer for Windows, right? And then you follow through. And also you can go on YouTube to search for downloading my SQL from this particular part to go through. So let's go with the Mac as well. So I'm going to download my SQL community server. All right, so it's now telling me what to download. All right, so as you can see, this is Mac, right? So I can see the latest version of the MySQL here. The operating system is Mac OS and the version is all. So I'm going to just take the very first one and download. All right. No, forget all this and just go to no thanks, just download my SQL. Just start my download. So it's downloading. Right, so it's taking a while to download. Okay, wow. Right, so I downloaded the we downloaded the let's go back again. It took a while, so first and foremost, we downloaded the community server and we installed it. After installing it, if you want to know if it is installed, you come to this app, your Apple part, and you go to system settings. Then when you come to system settings, you come down here and you see my SQL. I also had to download Java, right? So it's actually running, right? It's active. Okay. After that, I just went on to come back here and download the Workbench. And when after downloading the Workbench, you open your location and you drag it to apps and it will install. And now I can open my Workbench as I now. This is it. Um, yes, so this is how it's looking. This is my Workbench right now. Right, so let me close it and open Workbench again. Okay, so I'm looking for my workbench. So I come to the applications here and look for workbench. I think I'll have to drag it. All right, so it's here. So after downloading the workbench, you come to your found. You'll find it in your recent. So you drag it to the application and you look for it and install it, right? So I have installed and I have it here. So I just open it. My workbench is down here. Okay, so I can close this terminal. Okay, so after installing the workbench, opened it and I had to close it again to make sure it becomes an app, something like an app on my Mac, right? So this was me closing all the opened SQL, right? So it took a while.
Looking for it.
I closed it. I quit it first. I was trying to find it. I found it in my Finder. Then I went on to um, try to set it up. It wasn't setting up. It took a while. It took a while, but I maneuvered. I quit it, right? So closed everyone, then went back to my Finder. I searched. It was still not an
Alright,
app,
so
right? So that
let's
means
take our
it's at the
time.
back end. I had to bring it forward. Like I have to be able to see it easily. I was looking for it, still looking for it, and so I had to look for the installer again, right? Because the workbench is more of like the app that you're going to be using. The server is the back end, right? So we downloaded the server and then the workbench. So now I have it here and it's instructing me that I should drag my workbench to the application side. So that's what I was trying to do here. So I was looking for it if it's in the application before I drag it, it won't be two, right? So I dragged it to the application side and it started installing or copying to the application side. So I did it multiple times. So you can see at the top there it was saying that do you want to keep both? No, I just wanted one. So I just waited for it to get done. Then I went forward, right? So I don't want it to stop, right? So now I could close everything and go back to look for the workbench as an app, right? So I went back to my app. I didn't know what I was doing here, honestly. Did I go to App Store? I was looking for applications actually. So I went to the applications and then I saw it, yeah, and I could see the workbench there. So I knew that it's fully installed now. So now we just open it and it was opening, right? It had something downloaded open and voila, it opened
Alright,
up,
oh God.
right? So now I could close my application. Yes, I closed it, expand my window. Oh, I closed this and checked.
Alright.
Yeah, I checked here if it was there and it was there. So now I was good to go. I was good to go. I'm still learning, just a challenge. So after downloading the community server, we install it and also come and download. You check it, right, and then you install the my workbench. So after installing my workbench, then we go on to our Finder. So you saw me dragging the application onto the the workbench so that I can use it. So now I have the workbench here, so I can go to my application and down open it up, or I can just come to my app. So it's looking like an app here, right? So I can just open it up, right? All right, so I can now open it directly, and I open it, right? So it's saying connection continue anyway. All right, the MySQL interface, where here is where you're going to download, actually write out your queries and all that and install it. But as of now, I have a challenge already which I am about to fix. Okay, all right. So if you have any challenge, find your way to join our WhatsApp group so that we can help you install these tools. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we didn't confuse you today, and I hope you learned something as we are learning all this. Day 21 is for the books. You are making all the errors on this challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any challenge in installing any app, just get onto our WhatsApp group and we can help you from there. Thank you so much. And it's all right. It took a long while for me to install the SQL server and Workbench all together. But if you find it difficult, you watch YouTube videos and get someone to help you. That's how best I can say it. For me, I read a lot. Technology teaches you whilst you work with it. So I'm reading a lot to figure it out on my Mac. With the Windows is straightforward, right? Windows is very straightforward. So I already have it on my laptop on the Windows. So please watch a lot of YouTube videos to be able to do it, right? But I want you to see the interface. So um the current interface is the MySQL interface, where here is where you're going to download, actually write out your queries and all that and install it. But as of now, I have a challenge already which I am about to fix. Okay. All right. So if you have any challenge, find your way to join our WhatsApp group so that we can help you install these tools. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we didn't confuse you today, and I hope you learned something as we are learning all this. Day 21 is for the books. You are making all the errors on this challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any challenge in installing any app, just get onto our WhatsApp group and we can help you from there. Thank you so much. And it's bye for now.